or Facebook or YouTube, the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Car Wash Man. I'm out here at John Wayne Marina today in Sequim, Washington. This is a motorhome park with a great view. I'm going to give you a better view in a second. We're washing this beautiful motorhome. An incredible amount of detail to it. I had to use the toothbrush on it in certain places. But she really loves this. We washed the awning. The roof turned out really well. I used a special wash compound that I've invented to take off oxidation when you wash it. This one doesn't need to be waxed. Let's see. On the roof here, turned out really good. It has some stains in it that won't come out, but that's normal. Stains. She got the stains were on the roof before she bought it, so. And you can see the view of John Wayne Marina. Got lots of motorhomes here. I got that third one over there. I'll be doing that one on Friday. I imagine I'll be doing lots of motorhomes here. But anyway, back to this. I detailed everything underneath it, underneath every fixture. All of the rubber has been detailed, cleaned. I think it's very important to clean around the fixtures. That way they won't leak later on. Okay, show you a little bit more downstairs.